children, in this class we see what are the benefits of exercises on the respiratory system. So you will get benefits of the exercises from the first chapter, second chapter as well as the 3 chapters also. You have to study this in detail, because the benefits of exercise in skeletal system we have, same benefits of exercise in muscular system we have. Similarly in respiratory system also there is a benefits. So you have to study that. So now what happens when you exercise and how a respiratory system will be benefited by the exercises. So during exercises, what happens when you start exercising? So demand of oxygen increases, right? So when you have a more amount of oxygen, your body gets strength and you can perform better if you have a large amount of oxygen supply. Otherwise what happens? For the muscular activity, if the supply of oxygen is less, we can't perform the exercises. So we feel very tired and weak. So during exercise, oxygen is the most important factor. Now what are the benefits? Let us see now. It increases the tidal volume, that is the amount of air inspired and expired per breath. At a stretch, how much amount of air you have intake and how much amount of air that we have breathe out. So for a normal person, the intake of air is only 500 ml per breath. Okay, for a trainer, it will be trained person or athletic, it will be 600 to 700. See the difference. Since they are motivated, since they have practiced, since they are doing their exercises, since their physical activity is more, what happens? The intake and the consumption of oxygen will be more in the trained person. Whereas the normal person, the intake of oxygen will be up to 500. Next, respiratory muscles become stronger. So what are the respiratory muscles that we saw? Maybe lung muscles. So they become stronger. Next, increase in aerobic endurance. That means in the aerovascular bundles, so they will get a increased amount of air inside that, so they can perform better. Then faster rate of recovery to perform physical activity. Now even if you are after performing a more number of activities, so you will not feel stressed or tired. Why? Because practicing the regular exercises will have very positive effects on the body. So it increases the recovery from the physical activities, or if there is any injury. So all those can be recovered in the regular exercises. Okay. Now here also, so we say the respiratory muscles also become stronger. So we have, if you have performed a work harder, then inhalation and exhalation of gases occurs rapidly, right? Faster, right? You inhale faster, you exhale the air faster. So that when the more amount of oxygen can be inhaled and carbon dioxide can be exhaled. By the exercises, what happens? We can take more amount of oxygen during the exercise. During the rest period that we saw in the previous diagram, what happens during the rest period? The amount of consumption of oxygen will be less. So during the period of exercises, we require more amount of oxygen. When a more amount of oxygen is supplied to the body, all the intoxicants will be removed from the body and your body will feel flexible and they will be away from the number of diseases. Then light intensity, like physical activities, helps in faster recovery, right? So light exercise or cooling down exercise. Light exercise, you need not go for a gym or do lots of exercises. Like light exercises like warm up, fast, that means brisk walking. All those, they stimulate the blood flow to the muscle. So they help us in the circulation of the blood so that we can get recovery very soon. Then they help to reduce fatigue. So fat, whatever the contents of the fat that is there in the body, they help us to reduce the fat. And soreness by removing the lactate from the muscle and the blood. So lactate, if you remove that, that is a content of the fat. Okay. We also use the lactate in milk. So these are the fatty materials. So these exercises help us to remove all these fatty materials from our body, so that we can recovery very well, we can perform all sorts of activity sooner. So by this, we end this chapter number 3. Okay, we will start with the chapter 4 in next classes.